Good morning, students. Today we are starting first chapter of our English literature book, that is Grandfather's House. Let's read this chapter. Hattie is an orphaned little girl who lives with her aunt Date. Date takes Hattie to live with her grandfather, whom Hattie has never met before. Means this is a story about a little girl that is called Hattie, and firstly she lives with her aunt, and then her aunt Date takes her to live with her grandfather, whom Hattie has never met before. He lives in a little wooden house high up on the mountains called Alps with his two goats. Means his grandfather is living with two goats and his house was on the mountains. The extract you are about to read describes Hattie's first day in her new home. Means in this lesson we will read that the first day when she went to her grandfather's home. Now Hattie was alone with grandfather. He sat on a wooden seat looking on the ground. He didn't say a word. Hattie walked round the outside of the house. At one side there was a room for the goats, which was empty. At the back were three big old fir trees. Means at the back of Hattie's grandfather's house there were three big old fir trees. Fir tree meaning an evergreen forest tree with leaves like needles. She could hear the wind going through them. The sound was like singing, and she stopped to listen before going on round the house. Means the sound was very interesting. She stopped there to listen that sound. Grandfather was still in the same place. He did not move, means he was on the same place. Hattie went and stood in front of him. What do you want to do? He said at last. Now the grandfather is talking with her daughter. What do you want to do? I want to see what you have inside the house. Come then. He opened the door. Means Hattie was curious. She wanted to know what the things are there in that house. And the grandfather said, come. He opened the door. There was only one room in the house, but it was large. In one corner, there was a big fireplace with a table and a wooden chair near it, and in the other was grandfather's bed. There was a big fireplace. Fireplace means an open space for fire in a room. There was also a big cupboard. Cupboard means almirah. It had everything in it that he needed. What things were there in that cupboard? A few cloths, balls and plates, bread and cheese. He carefully put in Hattie's things which Date had brought. Means in that cupboard he put Hattie's things also, which her aunt had brought. Hattie looked round the room. Where am I going to sleep, grandfather? Means she is asking from her grandfather that where am I going to sleep? Wherever you want, he said. At her question's reply, her grandfather said, wherever you want, there you can sleep. Hattie noticed some steps in the corner. She climbed them and found herself in a room under the roof. There was hay all over the floor. Hay means grass that is dried and cut properly, and it smelled good. From a window in the roof, she could see the mountains. Means from the window, she could see the mountains also. I am going to sleep here, she called. It is nice here. Come and see how nice it is. She is telling her grandfather that this place is so nice. She is asking him that come and see how nice it is. I know. I have seen it before, he answered. Her grandfather answered that I have seen this place before and I know that it is very nice. Hattie made a little bed for herself out of the hay. Means at that place she made a little bed for herself. Then she called to grandfather to bring her some sheets. He had no sheets, but he found some pieces of hard brown cloth. He brought them up and laid them over the hay. So, today we will read only this one, and tomorrow we will complete this chapter. I will give you some hard words of this chapter. Students, you will start your new English fair notebook and on its first page write your name, class, and then on second page you will write this lesson's name and then you will write hard words. Thank you.